so we are here at Hue Affair 2024. This vlog is going to be all about Bask and Lather. This is our first event in 2024 where we're here in person, and we're going to see if we sell out fast because everybody's been saying that they're buying their tickets. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and if you're new, definitely follow us on all platforms. See y'all!
Hey, what's up, y'all? Thank you for coming out to Hue Affair 2024. My name is Seth. Y'all got to meet our CEO Shannon as well, and y'all got to get some hair tips, product knowledge, and we even got to know y'all a little bit better in person as well. We had to bring extra products. We knew y'all was gonna sell out of all of our viral products, like our edge control, like our scalp stimulator. Appreciate y'all coming out. Right here is when y'all would start to come in line and y'all buying up all the product. We over here scrambling to figure out how we gonna restock. But like I said, we did bring extra, so we were able to get y'all products and get to know y'all a little bit better. Made it this far into the video. If y'all want to stay updated with all of our brand updates, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. Definitely let us know what y'all favorite part of Hue Affair was. If y'all came through, let us know what y'all name is. Let us know what your favorite part of Hue Affair was.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We literally was sold out. This whole shelf is basically empty. Everyone was over here gathered around our full entire booth. So definitely make sure you guys stay tuned with us and follow us on all platforms so you'll be notified the next time we're at a new event. Bye y'all.